The U.S. corporate income tax is a mess. It needs to be replaced. The corporate income tax drives investment out of the United States and distorts the economy. We can fix these problems by taxing corporate income at the stockholder level. The corporate income tax causes numerous arbitrary distortions in the economy. It punishes companies that issue stock instead of borrowing. It punishes investment by corporations relative to investment by other kinds of companies. It punishes investment by companies that are chartered in the United States relative to companies that are chartered abroad. And, above all else, it punishes investment in the United States, driving investment abroad and pushing down workers' wages. A lot of people are discussing small-scale reforms to the corporate income tax, but their ideas don't really work. They keep most of the corporate income tax's distortions in place. It's time to start thinking outside the box. All taxes, including the corporate income tax, are really paid by people. So why not be honest about that? Instead of pretending to tax corporations, let's tax the people who own shares in corporations. Let's eliminate the corporate income tax and instead tax corporate stockholders in full on their dividends and capital gains. The one thing we'll have to do to make this work that may be a little controversial is to tax those capital gains as they accrue. In other words, a stockholder whose stock goes up in value would be taxed on the increase in value even if they haven't sold the stock yet. But the payoff from this reform is that we would sweep away all of the corporate income tax's distortions, particularly its penalty on investment in the United States. We may not be ready for this sweeping of a reform yet, but we can't stick with today's deeply flawed system forever.